ready for that D or whether you getting ready for that P, boo. Which one you getting ready for? Either or? Both? It is what it is. But these are the tips. Hey y'all, it's me, Krizia K. If you are new, I'm glad to have you. If you want to become a K Diamond, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. We gonna go ahead and get into the video. So y'all, this is yet again another hygiene video. This video is basically just letting you guys, giving you guys some tips on how to stay clean or get ready for the Z, boo, or whatever, get ready for whatever you want to get ready for, the D, the P, whatever you want to get ready for, okay? So, now first and foremost, I do want to let y'all know I'm not a OBGYN, I'm not a doctor, none of that. These are just tips that usually works for me. These are tips that your girl do, and I know that it will help some of you all, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get into some tips and tricks to get ready for the D or the P, whatever you like. It don't mind. I mean, I don't care what you like what you like, okay? Whether you getting ready for that D or whether you getting ready for that P, boo. Which one you getting ready for? Either or? Both? It is what it is. But these are the tips. So, first and foremost, I want you guys to actually, if you haven't watched my hygiene video, my how to stay fresh and clean and all of that, I'm gonna link it up here so y'all can see that video first. It's gonna give y'all a lot of tea and a lot of good tips on how to stay fresh and clean all day, okay? If you haven't seen that video yet. But today we are just gonna focus on how to get her clean and get prepared for some good old do, okay? Some to do. That's what we do around here. We do, we get it in, and it is what it is, all right? So anyway, I like, not only do I clean her, I like to make sure my whole body is clean. So I did bring maybe like 3-4 products to show y'all what I use to get ready for the D. Now when I say get ready for the D, I'm not just talking about peaches, y'all. I'm talking about your whole body. You got to get everything clean, squeaky clean, your whole body, okay? So I'm gonna be bending down, and I'm sorry that I am, but the first thing that I have here is this right here. You want to make sure your face is nice, clean, squeaky clean. You don't want to go to your man house. You don't want to go to your girlfriend house, so you don't want your man or your girlfriend to come over and you got coal and stuff all in your eye. It doesn't look good, okay? It really does not look good. So what I have here is the Noxzema. This one has eucalyptus extract, but I usually use the normal version of the Noxzema. This Noxzema smells so good, y'all. But you want to make sure your face is just really clean, especially if excuse me, especially if you have a significant other that like kissing all in your face and everywhere. You know, make sure you just clean your face with Noxzema. It really works. It gets deep into the pores. It really cleanses your face. So you definitely want to make sure you have this on hand, okay? So the next thing that I do have is for your oral hygiene, okay? You gotta make sure your oral hygiene is up to date, girl. So if, for those of you, I know a lot of y'all don't floss. I bet you looking at this video like, damn girl, we gotta floss too. Yes, Pooh. You need to be flossing your teeth. If y'all don't floss your teeth, girl, you'll get gingivitis. You gotta make sure those teeth is clean, okay? So you gotta make sure those teeth is clean, boo. So make sure that you get either some, I like these type of floss because it has the little stick and it also has the string. So these are the type of flosses that I like. I like these type of flosses, y'all. So make sure you are cleaning your teeth. After you clean your teeth, you rinse your mouth out just with water. Not with Listerine or none of that. You rinse your mouth out with just with water, and then you go in and brush your teeth. Now, this is one of the things that I use. I use this Theraflu TheraFruit Fresh Breath toothpaste, and I also use the TheraFruit Fresh Breath mouthwash. So I use both of them, and sometimes I do go in with Colgate as well. Now I like to use this to brush my tongue. I brush my teeth with it too because it is toothpaste, but it doesn't give like a thick lather like Colgate and stuff like that. But this is really good if you guys, if you guys suffer from bad breath. Okay, I'm giving y'all the tea on this. Y'all need to go get you some TheraBreath toothpaste and TheraBreath products. Okay, go get y'all some TheraBreath products. You can pick it up from Walmart, you can pick it up from Target. Also link it down in the description box. You can pick it up from Amazon. Make sure y'all just go get y'all some TheraBreath, y'all. I'm telling you, it has worked wonders for a lot of people. You don't even have to have bad breath, but this is really, really good. When I tell y'all this stuff, girl, you can be in your man's face like, baby, but babe, why you tripping? Babe, come give me a kiss, babe. You know, so girl, you know you could be all in your man's face, boo, and you know your breath smelling good, okay? And he just gonna be looking at you like, man, come here, give me a kiss. Yeah. You smell my breath smell good. Ain't no smell, really, okay? So anyway, get you some TheraBreath. It works wonders, okay? The last thing, well, I have two more things, y'all. So another thing that I do have is this right here. It's the exfoliating cotton ovals. Now, so let me let y'all know something. Now, these cotton ovals, you can use these for anything, okay? So you can use it for your face, you can use it for your boom, you can use it for your peaches, you can use it for anything. Sometimes I like to use this for my peaches and my boom. So for your peaches, let me tell y'all something. It is a exfoliating cotton oval, okay? If you don't want to put product like exfoliating scrubs or something on your peaches, you can just get one of these, put water on it, and just rub around your peaches, like on the top. Just rub that skin part and exfoliate her, because you want her nice and soft, y'all. So you want to exfoliate that top part, the meats, the buns. You just want to exfoliate her only with water. If you don't want to have product or none of that or soap on it, just exfoliate her with this exfoliating sponge. It has to be an exfoliating sponge. It can't just be a cotton thing, okay? It has to say exfoliating. Y'all see that, right? So it has to say exfoliating, okay? And just exfoliate her and get her prepared for the D or the P or whatever it is, okay? So get her prepared. The last thing that I do have here is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castor Soap. It's the hemp and peppermint. Y'all, this smells so good. Now, when I tell y'all, this gets your body nice and clean. The only thing that I don't like about the Dr. Bronner soap is that it leaves my skin kind of dry. So after I wash my body, I don't wash peaches with this, y'all. If y'all haven't watched my hygiene video about peaches, go watch it, okay? And you will see what I wash my peaches with, okay? But anyway, this right here, you wash your whole body with. This gets dirt off of your skin. Some people do use pure Castile soap, organic Castile soap on peaches, but I never use it on peaches. For those of you who don't know who Peaches is your girl down there, okay? Your girl that you need to be taken care of before the tea, okay? So, but this right here, you need to definitely use for your body because it gets you nice and squeaky clean. Now, after I do use this, I then go in with a Dove body wash just so that skin can get soft again, because this soap does make my skin dry, but it gets you really clean, okay? So another thing that I want you guys to do is pee before and after sex. I know y'all just did it and whatever, after sex you want to go to sleep, but girl, no, get up and go pee. Get up and go pee, take a shower or whatever. If you don't want to take a shower, just most of all, get up and go pee, okay? So those are the tips that I have for you all to get you ready for the D or the P, whatever you like, okay? If you like this video, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the K Diamonds. Follow me on my Instagram, Krizia K, the #1, and TikTok, Krizia K. I love y'all.